Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So this is going to be one of those DIYs that I did not even think about. I had these sticks from the Christmas holidays. I was going to make something using them, and then I just changed my mind, but they were just sitting there. So I said, you know what? I am just going to create an ugly Valentine's Day DIY using these sticks. Now, when I say this is like one of the non-cute DIYs that I've ever done, then here you go. You know, I don't ever want people to think that all of my DIYs are polished, because we as crafters are going to show you the ones that we feel like are worthy. But with this one, it was just in my head, as I was going. I was just doing things off the cuff. There was no rhyme or reason to it, but as you can see, I just took these sticks, put them together. I just centered the burlap ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And by the way, the sticks came out of my yard. And then I took one of those rose petals with the pink and like ivory color that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Put it in the center on top of the burlap ribbon, and then I painted the natural little wood hearts that comes in a pack of, I think, 8 or more, maybe a little more than that. But anyway, I painted them using that pink eraser paint, and it was like half of it in that color and the other half I left natural. And so then I just decided to make this into like a teepee top, and I tied, this twine from Walmart around the top, and then I added one of my jute twine bows. And then that one that I kept looking at it, I said, well, why is this one just sticking out? I didn't glue it down right. So I decided to go and get one of the extra twigs that I had in my garage for another project that I'll be doing later on, and just even it out so that it won't look like such an eyesore. And then I added some of those natural beads to the top so that it's dangling from the bow. And these beads actually came from a garland that I had purchased last year from Walmart, and I'm just using those, one large and then one small and vice versa. I kept going with that pattern and tied knots at the end. And once I got done with that, you'll see that I painted another one of those wooden hearts, the little miniature wooden hearts, and I put it in the center of this piece. And again, this is just something that I just created off the cuff. There was no rhyme or reason. I didn't think about it. I was just grabbing stuff and putting stuff together. And then I said, well, I'm gonna make it look like a teepee at the top at least. But guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I can promise you that my crafts are better than this. But I just wanted to just upload this to the channel just for laughs. And yeah, I can't even say much on this. It's just so funny to me that I'm actually going to load this to the channel, but I am. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, I hope that you go and binge watch some of my others, and I even hope that you enjoy this piece. It was fun to create on the go. But anyway, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. Now, when you say rustic, tell me this is not rustic. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. And here you'll see where I've painted that that heart, natural heart, in that pink eraser paint, and put it in the center of the bow. And here's the reveal, guys. Here it is. It's a craft. This is what you don't upload when you're trying to build your channel. But I'm a daredevil. Okay, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this fun video, and I hope that you have a blessed Sunday. And until the next DIY, guys, bye.